Discover the sound of history, the natural trumpet. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of musical instruments, particularly focusing on the natural trumpet. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will unravel the mystery behind this historic instrument. The natural trumpet refers to a brass instrument that was popular in the 16th to 18th centuries. Unlike modern trumpets, it doesn't have valves or keys. This means that the player can only produce notes that are part of the instrument's harmonic series. The natural trumpet's sound is both bold and majestic, often associated with ceremonial and military music. The natural trumpet holds a special place in music history. It was a symbol of power and nobility, often used in royal courts and military battles. Composers like Bach and Handel wrote extensively for this instrument. Understanding its role in history helps us appreciate classical music compositions more deeply. Though less common today, the natural trumpet still makes appearances, especially in period performances of Baroque music. Modern trumpeters sometimes learn to play it to understand and perform historical pieces authentically. Its distinctive sound continues to inspire composers and musicians. I hope this video has enlightened you about the natural trumpet and its place in music history. Remember, learning English isn't just about words and grammar. It's also about exploring culture and history through language. Stay tuned for more interesting topics, and keep learning.